That's what's up. You already know what's going on. I had a lot of requests to make this video. I had like a whopping 8 likes. 8 of you guys want to see me show you how to make Koolaid gummy bears the right way. See, you guys overcomplicate things when it comes to snacks. This right here, these two together, this is the OG combination of might send you to the hospital and you're gonna have the best day ever, but low-key have a crash later because of all the sugar. I advise you to eat this responsibly. Let's get into it.
Stuff. You need brand name Haribo gummy bears, Kool-Aid, sugar, plastic bags, some water, and 2 spoons.
You're gonna get a bag, alright? I got the wrong bags, you know. Use the right bag. Use the one that's like the all plastic one, the one that you can't seal, the one that you get mad at, that you wish it was one of these bags. You gotta downgrade to those bags. Open it up. You're just gonna get a handful. Just a handful of these bears, alright? You're not gonna overdo it. Toss that boy in the bag. It doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be a lot later, trust me. Next thing you gotta do is you gotta crack open your Kool-Aid. You're gonna get you 2 measuring spoons. The key is you want about half. That's a little much, but just shake them up. Just shake it up a little bit. Now you're gonna add water. I'm gonna just poke a hole in this lid and just hope to God I don't fucking hurt myself. That's how you do it. You just want to do it like drop by drop. Because if there's too little water, you can add more. If there's too much water, you're fucked. You're gonna wanna like massage it in. It's gonna take a second. You gotta give it a second to dissolve. Don't use like ice cold water either, you know what I mean? Little by little, trust. Massage it in, massage it in, massage it in, massage it in. There you go. See, now it's saucy. Yeah. The sauce needs to be nice and thick. You just have to like pinch the side. You just pinch the side and go like this. Can't be too watery, can't be too dry. There you go. The best candy you will ever have. Don't overcomplicate shit. Don't be making no cotton candy burrito. Do not put these in the fridge. Put them in maybe for like 30 minutes, an hour, just so they can get cold if you want. Do not put them in there for too long, because then they get hard. Like, nobody wants fucking hard gummy bears. But that's it. That's how you make the best snack. Fucking candy. You will die with a smile. What else do you want? That's pretty much it, man. Have fun with it. Enjoy.
Taking hours, got me skipping letters. Your girl tried to you from me because I hit it better. That's okay, I'll give it back to you in San Finito. We be doing X-rated shit, feel like Vin Diesel.